Hello, I'm SP from GonnaGeek.com and BetterPodcasting.com, and I have another unboxing for you today of a video capture device. This is the AVerMedia or AVerMedia Live Gamer Portable 2 Plus. It's got 4K pass-through, full HD at 1080p at 60 FPS, that's frames per second, and it's got ultra low latency. It's got the ability to record gaming from a chat headset as well as commentary. Am I going to use all that? Probably not, but I do like the low latency. I do like the pass-through. I do like the 4K. This is future-proofing myself, and this will help with my video podcasting. So let's get into what is in the box. This is a pretty small box, and we're going to get into it using my unboxing knife to cut away the actual top plastic wrap. Yay! So let's get the plastic wrap off. This came today in my Amazon.com delivery box. So there you go. Now we're gonna try to open it up from the side. As I fumble around with it, there we go. It's one of those tight-fitting box. Ooh, need help. Do not return it to the store. I'm not going to worry about that. Hey, the device is right there on the top. Now, the beauty of this is you can use it without a PC. You can use it on its own. This is the record button. This is the volume controls. This is the setting controls. Your gaming play audio, your actual commentary, headset commentary audio. It's got an HDMI in, out. It's got a micro USB. Is it micro or mini? I think it's mini USB for power or to connect to your PC. And it's got a micro SD card. So let's look in what's underneath the foam. And it looks like a user manual, which actually is pretty robust. And a little promo from AVerMedia. It's got a power cord, USB, and it's also got one HDMI cord, so you can go ahead and use it right away. And it's got a audio 3.5 millimeter TRRS to TRRS, so you can go back and forth between your chat headset probably. And that's it. There's nothing more in the box. I'm really excited to see what this can do. Really excited to use this. I've got a use case coming up just in a couple of days, so I'll be able to put it through its paces, and then I'll come back with another quick video on what I think about this. I searched low and high for a capability, especially a capability that you could go ahead and record without a computer and at 1080p at 60 frames per second. This was basically the top of the line that I could find in all the capabilities. It was the only one I could find, so I went ahead and got this, and I did not get the Hapaj that Steven has. So we're very interested in seeing what this can do, and then what it can do for podcasting eventually. Until next time, if you like videos like this, go ahead and subscribe down below. Leave a comment if you have a question about this. Hopefully I'll be able to answer it on the next video. And always find us at GonnaGeek.com. Until next time, I'm SP. We'll see you later. Bye.